It's weird to see how new and everything has grown, but it also still feels so familiar and nostalgic.
I almost feel like I'm back in college again, and it feels like home because it was, and it's a family environment. It's just good to be back. Always good to be back.
We learned how to be adults here. We learned how to have a career here. We learned how to, build a family from here. It's just an important building block at a significant point in one's life.
I loved about Samford that I got to interact with so many different people through so many different walks of life, and it's really just helped me to be more open to actually hearing people's stories and hearing where they're coming from.
The faith presence here is amazing. It's really amazing. The support of the alumni and the outside events that we do, it just all culminates and brings us back to square one of where we started.